What's up, Philippines? This is Jared Dantes reporting from Manila weather today. Two weather systems continue to bring rains to many parts of the country, according to Pag-asa. The northeast monsoon, or hanging amihan, prevails over northern Luzon, while the tail end of a cold front affects central and southern Luzon. The northeast monsoon is the cold wind from China and Siberia that blows into the country from late October until mid-February and usually associated with the Christmas season. The tail end of a cold front is the front boundary of two air masses, hot and cold, that produces clouds and rain. Cloudy skies with light to moderate rains and isolated thunderstorms will be experienced over eastern Visayas and the Caraga region, and the provinces of Quezon and Aurora. Meanwhile, partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated light rains are expected over the Ilocos, Cordillera, and Cagayan Valley regions. Cloudy skies with isolated rain showers or thunderstorms will prevail over Metro Manila and the rest of the country, while Pag-asa expects at least one more tropical cyclone to affect the country before the year ends. Weather forecaster Alza Aurelio said that there is no more weather disturbance currently near the Philippine area of responsibility. With sea conditions rough to very rough over the seaboards of northern Luzon, it will be dangerous for fishing boats and other small vessels to venture out over these waters. Today, we have invited a meteorologist to help us understand more about one of the weather systems we are currently experiencing, namely the cold front. Please welcome Miss Eliza Escolano.
Good day to you all. It's a pleasure to be here.
Good day to you as well, Miss Eliza Escolano. May we ask, what is a cold front?
A cold front is a transition zone of a cooler mass of air, replacing at ground level a warmer mass of air which lies within a fairly sharp surface of low pressure. The air behind the cold front is noticeably colder and drier than the air ahead of it. It forms along the wake of an extratropical cyclone at the leading edge of its dry conveyor belt of circulation. The cooler and denser air wedges under the less dense, warmer air, lifting it. This upward motion causes lowered pressure along the cold front and can cause the formation of a narrow line of showers and thunderstorms when enough moisture is present. When cold front passes through, temperatures can drop more than 15 degrees within the first hour. Temperature changes along the boundary can exceed 30 degrees Celsius. When enough moisture is present, rain can occur along the boundary. In the northern hemisphere, a cold front usually causes a shift of wind from southwest to northwest clockwise, also known as veering, and in the southern hemisphere, a shift from northwest to southwest in a counterclockwise manner. Normally, cold fronts can be marked by these characteristics: clouds, precipitation, and temperature change. It can trigger flash floods and landslides, so everyone is advised to take caution.
Thank you very much for the info, Miss Eliza. Do you have any advice for this type of weather?
Although there is no scientific proof that says that cold weather will give you a cold or flu, the lowering of a person's body temperature can also lower his or her immune system, making the person more vulnerable to catching illnesses. People can get sick because of some indirect effect of cold weather that keeps them indoors together more closely, where they are more likely to spread viruses to each other. And so, everyone is advised to stay healthy and to be safe during this season.
Thank you very much. We'll definitely keep those in mind. That's all for the weather today. Till next time.